Alright, in this training video we are going to go over how to back up a video that has audio attached with it. In other words, when we installed your system, we installed microphones to record the audio within your space. So we will open up the client. Okay, we are logged into the system. You'll notice that you don't see any video right here, and that's because the production software I'm using to produce this video cannot record a video within a video. So I am looking at the video, but you cannot see it. Okay, so we'll choose the date and time, assuming that you already know what date and time that you want to back up. So we'll go to backup and hit next. We will choose the DFS file format. Now this format will let you have good audio quality on the recording, but will require you to have the playback software, which is bundled within the client software that you use to view your cameras remotely. So if you give this to anybody, they will also need to have that playback software. The exe backup bundles the player software and the video together. This is great for giving somebody else the video, but will not record audio very well. So exe is great for video only and sharing. DFS is good if you are backing up for personal use, or if the person that you are going to be giving that video to will be having that client also. So we'll click DFS. We're going to choose our date and time. I just picked a random time here. You'll notice that I put the same time for start and finish. That just means I want just 1 minute video. The start of 5:43, the end of 5:43. Enter in our password twice. Now we're going to go to browse for the backup folder. Now, so I'm just going to choose my C drive. If you had a USB stick in here, you could choose that and create a folder there. That would be perfectly fine. So I'm going to click my C drive, and it's very important that you make a new folder. So I am going to make a new folder on my C drive. I'm going to call it DVR backup. Now I have that created. What you're going to want to do is make a folder for every single day and camera that you want to do this to. The reason why you do that is because whenever you save this backup into a folder, it will delete everything within that folder. So you always want to make a new folder every time you do this. So now I've made a folder within a folder here, and now I have it highlighted, the folder I want it to go into. I know that this is a safe folder to put this video into, and there's nothing that is going to be in there that I can't have deleted. It is going to warn you about deleting everything within the folder. Click yes. Now we'll click next. We will deselect all the cameras. We only are interested in one camera at this time. You could choose multiple cameras that you have, and but that will make your backup time and file size very large. So one camera at a time is usually sufficient. You'll notice that it doesn't have our camera names. If we have our cameras named, they're not going to show up here. It's just going to still say channel 1, channel 2, channel 3. So this channel 1 correlates to down here we have the camera named master. So we will have to know that this is in order: camera 1, camera 2, camera 3, camera 4, so on and so forth. So we will know that this is the channel we want to record. So it's going to calculate the backup size, and this is a 1 minute segment, about 16 megabytes. I'm going to go ahead and stop this video while this does this, and then we'll come back when it's done. Alright, we're back. That elapsed time took about 2 minutes. We are connected to a remote system here, so that wasn't too bad. Now we will get out of this here and go back to our player program. So under Start menu, you're going to go to All Programs. If you're using Vista or Windows 7, it'll look very similar to what you have here on my PC. So I'm going to go to my mVision DVR folder. Yours may say mVision Client or mVision DVR. When it says DVR Client, that's the software you're used to using to remotely logging into your camera system already. And the DVR Playback is the software used to play back the DFS file systems. Alright, now we need to tell it where this video is stored. So I'm going to highlight the folder where I have the video. Now you're going to see the interface that you're used to. We will choose the day. We will put in our password here for the video, and you'll see down here that we have our 1 minute video time here. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom in on this so you can see this a little better. Alright, so here you see our 1 minute segment at 5:43. We'll highlight that. Again, you're not going to see this video. It will show up on my screen, but the software I'm using is not going to show you the video. You will hear the audio though. Okay, there you go. So that's how to save a video that has audio attached to it. If you were to want to share that video with somebody, you would actually need to give them this entire folder. So when you transfer the video to, say, the USB stick, you will take this entire folder and put it on the USB stick. Then you would use the playback client to view this folder.